So today I'm going to quickly go over how easy it is to set up and install the Chatbase Shopify app on your store so you can see just how fast it is. I'll start by going over what this looks like on our Chatbase store, which is actually where I get this super cool merch. So I'm just going to open up the chat widget here, and I'm looking for a t-shirt that's on sale, ideally a gray one. First, finding products. Chatbase is pulling real products from the live catalog on Shopify, right in the chat window. So it's not sharing a link to a search page, it's showing real products with images and prices. And I can go back and forth. Actually, do you have anything better for the fall? It does get kind of cold in Toronto. It knows the website catalog and recommends exactly like an in-store associate would. Fun fact, that was actually my first job. Now the part that turns support into revenue, you can actually add this product to the cart. Done. So that's the customer side of things. Now let me show you what it takes to set up on my Shopify store. So here's my store with no Chatbase agent on it yet, and no products either. All I need is go to the apps, right over here, find Chatbase and install. Now watch this. Once I refresh my storefront, the widget is already live. No need for any edits, no developers. The app actually handles it all. Now the last step, and this is where it gets powerful, actions. This is what upgrades the agent from answering questions to actually doing things. Product search, on. Order lookup, on. Cart management, on. And each one is configurable in the editor. Take order lookup, for example. I can set exactly how it verifies the customer before sharing anything. Order number, phone number, email. So it's helpful without ever sharing someone else's order info. Everything you saw in the first half of this video is just these toggles, connected to your store's real data. And the question that buries every e-commerce store's inbox, where is my order? So why don't we ask over here? And there it is. Live status, carrier information, tracking number, pulled straight from Shopify. Instantly, 24/7, no ticket, no, we'll get back to you in a couple days. And there it is. The same agent you watched at the start, now live on my store. Total time, under 5 minutes. If your support queue is full of where's my order, or do you have this in stock, the link's in the comments, or message me, and I'll walk through it on your store.